previous speakers, but with your indulgence, allow me to read my assignment. As we near the conclusion of our ceremony, I want to extend my heartfelt thanks first to the Almighty for orchestrating everything for His glory and the well-being of His children in this community. Thank you, Father Jake Masurgin, for officiating the ceremony today. To our esteemed guest, Vice Governor Jigo Pianque, your consent and support have greatly contributed to our ability to better serve this community. Thank you, Vice. And I also want to express my gratitude to my law professor. He doesn't want us to call him attorney. Saktong dawin niya kung attorney ang itawag. So we always call him sir. Thank you for gracing this event and making it truly special and memorable. Our special guest from the central office, Dr. Francis Soria, and our senior manager from both the Quality Assurance Group, from the representatives from the Office of the OCOO and the Area Vice President. A special thank you to our RVP, Michael Gibson Hernandez, for his unwavering support from the very beginning. He has been instrumental in spearheading the office transfer, marking the start of a new chapter for all LEOs in Caraga. When he arrived in 2020, one of his observations was the location of all LEOs, tanan down sa second floor. As a result, one of his objectives has been to relocate all offices to the ground floor to enhance both functionality, convenience, and style. This marks the beginning of an exciting journey for all LEOs in Caraga. I am also grateful for the unwavering support of our FOD Chief, Ma'am Joy Cañete, who has been instrumental in providing us with the necessary assistance, to our HCDMD Division Chief, Sir Boy Cascara, HCDMD Chief, Dr. Joe R. De Jesus. Also, I would like to acknowledge the heads from all LEOs across the Caraga region and the PBC heads, the section heads and the unit heads, PCARES, Malasakit, and the entire Philip Caraga team for their collaborative efforts that have led to today's celebration. Special mention and thanks to all our partners, healthcare partners, and doctors, and nato partners in our service in the community. To our media partners, thank you. To all stakeholders, and to all our clients na dyan, dito man sa Suyod and Johnson sa Gawas, thank you so much for joining us today. So, I'd like to ask for your patience and allow me to introduce individually the members of the LEO Surigao team. Get ready, team. Starting with the members of the membership and marketing team, with their team leader, Ms. Asal Castaños, and the rest of the team, Gladys, Neil, Mark, Nadine, Lawrence, Fritz. From the collection team, we have our team leader, Ms. Zaina Espina, together with Josh, Edwin, Jay, Jen. From the cashiering, we have our lead cashier, Ms. Zelda Camacho, and her alternate, Ms. May. From the support services, we have our team leader, Ms. Annie Joy, Ms. Leia, Kuya Noel, P-Boy, and our guards, Mr. Ampo and Mr. Cortez. Remember their faces. I specifically mentioned them to recognize their hard work, dedication over the years, and I thank God, really I thank God for this wonderful team. I purposely called them and introduced them to everyone to also reaffirm our commitment to sincerely serve our clients and the community with compassion, kindness, and to the best of our ability. In behalf of LEO Surigao City team, thank you so much for joining us today. Thank you. Congratulations once again, LEO Surigao. A warm applause Thank you to all our distinguished guests for the inspiring